Introducing Spy Spot's lamp security camera. Today we are demonstrating how to set it up. First, download the app HDSMARTIPC. Then go to Phone's Wi-Fi settings, find Devices IMEI, and click on it. Now go back to the app and press Confirm. You're all set. Click on Video and view your live recording. On the app, you're able to change the unit's brightness, contrast, screenshot, screen record, listen to audio, and with the arrows on the bottom right, you can mirror the image or flip it upside down. This camera gives you a 330-degree view. Now, before setting everything up, make sure device is plugged in and flip the switch to on. Included with your purchase is a 32 gigabits SD card. Insert it to save your video. The lamp also has a feature to change its colors. You can access this by pressing the Settings button next to device's name, then pressing Light RGB. You can also adjust the brightness of the color. You are also able to set up a timer for the light or schedule the lamp color to turn on. We hope you love your device. Enjoy this Spy Spot security system.